Hi world, what's up? You know it's your boy Power Stone. You know we do what we do and we do what we do. Alright, guess what now? You say Powerman. When you say Powerman, you say dancehall, reggae, artist Powerman. We've been in this for a while, from in the early 80s. Zane coming up, but we got to break. 1991 with the big giant song Stone. They from the body head. Yeah. And we never turned back ever since. I'll enter you now here. We have songs out there going all over the world. Well, right before I got my break, you know, I was learning trade as a welder. I was learning trade as a carpenter because I wasn't a lazy person. Seeing my born a Waterhouse on a road, Ashuka Road, where Shelly-Ann Fraser born panto as a little girl. And the road there had a big giant workshop. And then right up the road was King Tubby's studio. And then further up was King Jammy's studio. So I was surrounded by all sort of activities, all sort of progressive things to do. So if it was a music, it would be woodwork or it would be welding. Yeah. Well, here we know. Boy, may I tell you, that one of people, that one is so controversial. Because guess why? In the 90s, artists used to actually sell records. I mean, Shabba Rankin sold 500,000 copies of records, and that was gold. Junior Reid sold 250,000 copies, and that was silver. Shaggy them sold 1 million platinum. Zane, nowadays, the baddest artist them saying a dancehall is Vybz Kartel, and them sell 3,000 copies. That means music not selling, but yet still these guys making more money because more internet, more computer. One time when somebody want an artist at Jamaica, they have to fly how much million miles from Germany or France or Uruguay. Now, them a talk to the artist on phone, them a talk to the artist via cam, them a see the artist, them a send the artist money in a account. So these guys making millions by the second. In our days, our money used to hide from we. Our money used to have to go through 100 somebody and before it reached to we. When it reached to we can just buy a box food with it. So, boy, I don't know, it's a thing. But them say, you see, the millennium, every time the millennium come in, you know, it set back things. Because one time your father could have got to farm work or foreign and pick apple. Now them not too want nobody pick apple again because them have some things that hold on the tree and shake up the apple them. So you don't see the thing though. Computerize, make the thing bad for everybody. Real musicians suffer. Real musicians will go to school, pay much money for play piano, suffer. Some little youth born where them are 14, 15, just get a laptop and touch it up 2 times and say them a make rhythm. And them make 100 rhythm in a 1 week by just touching the laptop. So you see what I mean? And the real musician them suffer. So I just say life go.
In the street of New York, you know? Yeah. Buck up on Japal and Powerman and Penny Harry and the big TV.
Reggae Vibes TV.
Mad TV.
Music has deteriorated badly because, but then guess what now? It's like to me, 100,000 somebody has said them an artist now because computer come in and auto-tune come in and the Sky Juice man can go in the studio and say something and you put something on him voice and make him sound like him an artist. So what that do now, that make 100,000 persons say them an artist. So then now the real artists them are going to take a back seat. Because it's like you can't tell Michael Jordan say, yo, are you name Michael Jordan, but if you want to get back into the game, you have to pay away, or you have to do this, or you have to do that. The real Michael Jordan just step back. But the fake ones them now, them will do anything to hear them voice. Anything to see themselves. Anything. So them one they are the one now, them actually work harder. because them know them not have that talent they for match the real one them. So them work extremely harder in a ways for hear themselves, ways to see them song, and it work for them. So what you have to do, you have to still give them the props.
From your point of view,
Yeah.
how important is it to be relevant in the streets in Jamaica, and how is the best way for your artists to go about doing that?
Well, if you want to be relevant in the streets of Jamaica, because Jamaica is like the Hollywood of music, you know. Once you're popular and relevant in the streets of Hollywood, you're popular in the world. But Jamaica, them not just give it so. You have to work hard for that. More time you have to get like all 50 number one before them even turn them black at them eye if you look upon you. That's how sad it is. Since you find out, say, if you do that now, you have to bleach every night, you have to up every night, you have to do every dance every night, you have to buy the selector them a drink for what them throat because them say them a ball out on the mic every night. Nowadays them have a new thing now, you have to pay the cheerleader, the girls them, you have to every Monday night them have 6 Monday nights something. Hot Mondays, cool Mondays, fire Mondays, mad Mondays, and you have to left that one here and go that one there, and left that one here and go that one there, and left that one there and go that one there. Everyone where you go, you have to make sure so you have money for buy liquor and money for buy everybody where you feel like you can do something for you. A drink. If you can't keep up with that, better you not come out. Because if you come out and you can't do that, they might look on you like a mange, and then your thing are going to get massed up. So you have to just know the thing go. Forget the streets, it's hard though.
We plus money mean rich. Them plus money them switch. Fi minus we money them snitch. Go fi the machine and fool them with stitch. Fi divide and rule of them bunker. But we multiply and conquer. Them can't catch the king with no anchor. From man king on here, run it to flanker. Our life happy, happy we life happy. Happy we life, we don't see nobody life when we want. Happy, happy me life, happy, happy me wife. She don't see nobody man where she want. We don't know nothing about this. We don't know nothing about stress. Man I make progress, spirit success. My lifestyle are the best of the best. Man I sting them like bees in a chest. Man cycle to the east, then west or something. Man I live like we win the lottery and I invest. And I party, don't I carry fast. Yes, pray for the Father, bless I up like Moses. Come a build just full of your houses. Stop the youth, them guns and roses. The youth, them want money and houses. Happy, happy we life. Happy, happy we life. We don't see nobody life where we want. Happy, happy me life, happy, happy me wife. She don't see nobody man where she want. Happy, happy we life, happy, happy we life. We don't see nobody life where me want. Happy, happy me life, happy, happy me wife. She don't see nobody man where she want. If we no party, we no feel good. It's like we get